Hello everyone, my name is Rose. Today I will be teaching you the basic stitches to get started on crocheting. Just a disclaimer, I am left-handed, so I am going to be teaching only the left-handed side of this world. The main reason that I'm doing this is that I had to learn watching videos of right-handed people, and it was quite hard to learn, so I want to make it easier for left-handed people like me. And yeah, just teach you the basics to get started and do whatever piece you would like to do. I forgot to tell you what am I going to teach you, because we know I'm gonna teach you the basics, but I didn't say what I'm going to do. So here's the list of the stuff that you're gonna learn. So yeah, that's pretty much all you need to do any simple basic, not even basic, like actually you're gonna be good to go, except for working in the round, but I'm going to make another video soon, so stay tuned for that. Anyway, back to the video. So what you're gonna need is a crochet hook. This is what I'm using. It's a 6mm hook, and then I'm going to use any type of yarn really, just to get started. You know, you don't need any specific yarn. So let's start with the slip knot. So what you're gonna do is take the yarn, and what I usually do is hold it like this, so that I have the end of the yarn here, like so. And then I take the rest of the yarn and I cross it over like this, and I hold it with my fingers. Usually I also hold this one with my fingers. And then what I do is simply take this side, I don't know how to call it, and cross it over and just let it go, and then I just pull it, and here you have a slip knot. Let's go through it again. So you take the yarn, you like this, so the rest of the yarn needs to be on this side, not the other. So you hold it like this, you cross it over, and I hold it like this, and then you take this and you cross it here, and then you just pull. Easy as that. So now let's learn how to chain. So you're gonna have some tension in the yarn. What you're gonna do is you put the hook through the slip knot and you start chaining like this. So you, with the yarn under the hook, you go with the hook under here, you go around it, and then you pull the yarn through the loop. So once again, you wanna go under and then pull through the yarn. So I'm gonna repeat it many times so that you can actually understand how it works. You go back and then through the loop. And basically every time you're going through the loop, you're creating a new chain. So this is the basis basically of crochet. So now let's do 20 chains. So let's count how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm gonna do 14 more. Okay, so now I have 20 chains. So now what we're gonna do is add one more chain, because every time you want to basically turn your work and do one more row, you need to chain at least one. So we're gonna skip this chain and we're gonna go in the second loop, in the second chain here, and this is a single crochet. So you're gonna take the yarn like before, only this time you go through only one loop, and then you have two, let's call them hoops on the hook, and then you yarn over again, and you go through both of the loops, like so. Let's do it again. So you go through the next chain, which is this one. You yarn over. No, sorry. You go through one loop, and then you yarn over again, and you go through both of the loops. Let's do it again. So through the next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through two. This, yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through two. And let's do the whole row like this. Once you get to the last chain, you single crochet as usual. Okay. And now, to turn your work, you chain one, and you turn the work anti-clockwise, so this way. So now what you're gonna see is all these V's. This is where you're gonna insert your hook in the next rows, basically every time. So let's do one more row of single crochet. So you skip this chain because we just did it to turn the work. So you go into this V, this one here. So you go through like this, you yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through two. Again. And next, so yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through two. So we're at the last stitch. We go through this one last V. Yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through two. Now we're gonna be learning how to do a half double crochet. So to do so, instead of chaining one, we're gonna chain two. So chain one and chain two. Turn the work anti-clockwise, and for this stitch we're gonna be doing this. So yarn over, go through this V, the first one, yarn over again, pull through one, and we're gonna have 3 loops on the hook. And we're gonna yarn over again and pull through all the 3 hook loops. So 1, 2, and 3. Let's do it again. Yarn over, you go through the stitch, you yarn over again, 3 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over, pull through 3. And we're gonna do the same thing for the whole row. So we're at the last stitch, so we just do the same. We go through, pull through 1, pull through 3, and then you should have something like this. So now we're gonna do another row of half double crochet. So let's chain 2, turn the work, and just do the same, just to get the stitch right. So we're at the last stitch here, this V right here. So let's do one more half double crochet, pull through 1, pull through 3, and now we're gonna be learning how to do a double crochet. So chain 2, turn the work anti-clockwise. So now we're gonna yarn over, go through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 1. So until now, same way as a half double crochet. The difference is now we're gonna yarn over, and we're not gonna pull through all the 3 loops, we're gonna pull through just the first 2. So pull through 2, and then we're gonna yarn over again and pull through the last 2, like this. So let's do it again. Yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So let's keep going. Yarn over, pull through 1, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So we're at the last stitch. We do the same thing, yarn over, go through the stitch, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So yeah, we've learned how to do single crochet, half double crochet, and now we're doing double crochet. So let's do one more row of double crochet. So chain 2, work, and just go at it. last stitch. Let's do one more double crochet. You should have something like this now. So what we're gonna do is chain 1, and we're gonna turn our work, and now we're gonna learn how to do the slip stitch. It's the easiest one, I promise. The hard part is over. So we're gonna go through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 1, and we're not gonna yarn over anymore. We're just gonna pull through this loop through here, so just like this, and we have a slip stitch. So let's do it again. Like this, you pull through, and then the same loop you pull it through here. Let's do it again, like this. So we're at the last stitch here. I'm just gonna do the same thing. Now we're done. This is all the basic stitches that you need to learn to get started. So now we're gonna cast off. So we're gonna yarn over, you pull through, and now you just leave it like this. You take your scissors, just cut it this way, and you're just gonna pull through the, like, just pull the yarn like this and just tighten it. So there you go. So yeah, so this is all the stitches you need to learn to get started on crochet. I hope you liked the video, and hopefully I will not give up on this channel, and I will keep going and make more videos. If you have any questions on how to do other things on crochet while making crochet, then just put it in the comments, and I'll see what I can do to provide you with those instructions. Until then, see you next time.